dead.
Oh man, that's sad.
It is sad.
You love those animals, right?
I do.
How about playing the grass? That's sad. Really sad. Ooh. I can't see anymore. These right there. They're called motor lures. I'll show you some more. Follow me.
Where are we going?
Over there. What are the flowers? Can you hold me?
Okay, where are they?
No, over there. Over. Right, that tree. Here's a black one. Oh. Ow. Can you get that? Can you get that one for me right there? Okay. See any more, Daddy?
No.
Come on. So let's look for berries over here. No. So let's see. We only found two, so we need more. Let's see. Is this an elf tree, Daddy?
An elf tree?
Yeah.
I don't know.
This is bluegrass. Here's a blue. Dad, stop!
A is for apple, B is for butt, C is for cat butt, D is for doo-doo, E is for elephant doo-doo, F is for fart, G is for gorilla fart, H is for huge gorilla fart, I is for eyeball, J is for jammies, K is for kid fart, L is for loud and long farts, M is for monkey butt.